The first and second uses of the point-to-line segment code release tool. Code the specified point according to the proportion of 2 points. It can be used for pet clothes. So let's look at the first one first. We are based on point F is proportional to point A to point B. First, we left-click on point A and point B. Then click point F. Then REF follows the ratio of AB to put the code. The second is based on a distance from point D to AB to put point C. Then I'll click point D directly. Make it perpendicular to line A and B. Then click on point C. Then this is the tool we click to put the code with the line segment. The first and second forms of code placement.